Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok ads not spending. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the issue of TikTok's ad not spending is a conversation among e-commerce entrepreneurs. Despite investing time and effort into crafting winning products and perfecting ad campaigns, many wake up to find their TikTok accounts inactive. Though finding the cause of this one can be tricky, especially if you don't know where to actually first look at. So firstly, TikTok aims to advertise to succeed and continue spending on their platform. However, new accounts face hurdles as TikTok needs evidence that campaigns can generate conversions. To overcome this, it is suggested with simpler objectives like page views or ad cards to exit the learning phase, gradually increasing spending while targeting broader audiences and adhering to TikTok's creative guidelines to help build momentum. Additionally, it's essential to integrate and look at the following. First is going to be review your campaign settings. Double check your campaign settings, including budget, bidding strategy, and targeting parameters. Sometimes minor adjustments in these settings can trigger ad spending. Second, refresh creatives. If your ads have been running for a while without spending, consider refreshing your creatives. Update images, videos, add copy or call to action buttons to maintain audience interest and engagement. Experiment with ad formats. Explore different ad formats offered by TikTok, such as in-feed ads, branded hashtag challenges, or top view ads. Testing various formats can help identify which one resonates best with your target audience and drive higher spending. Now, for those still facing spending issues, it is recommended exploring agency accounts, although cautioning against potential pitfalls and emphasizing the limited availability. Ultimately, following the outlined steps and seeking guidance from resources can ultimately help you solve this problem. So in summary, overcoming TikTok spending issues requires strategic planning, adhere to platform guidelines, and persistence in optimizing campaigns. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.